Hi everybody, we're glad you joined us today, and you will be too when you see what this week's feature is. Everybody loves a red collector car. We all enjoy big block 4-speed muscle cars. Most of us dig trucks, but this week, how much will everyone flip out over this red 1966 Chevy El Camino with a 325 horse 396 big block, along with factory air for those hot Arizona days. It's been carefully and lovingly restored and is an absolute stunner from any angle. The owner, Jerry Brock, was kind enough to take the time to share this amazing vehicle with us all today. Let us know in the comments what you think of this rare muscle car, or muscle truck, or maybe just a muscle car of the rarest kind. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Now, let's go for a ride.
My name is Jerry Brock. This is my 1966 Chevelle El Camino, built the third week of June in Kansas City, Missouri GM plant. It was sold to and delivered to Herbert Andrews of Phoenix, Arizona on June the 30th, 1966 by Brown and Hoy Chevrolet in Mesa, Arizona. I acquired it in 1987. I did a complete frame-off restoration. It has been restored to its original condition with all options, date, codes, and part numbers original. The tires are 775/14 Redline Firestone original tires. It has a 396 engine with a 325 horsepower 4-speed Muncie transmission and a positive rear end. It has factory AC, power steering, power brakes, mag-type GM original style wheel covers, AM/FM radio, and the paint is the original color, Regal Red. I bought a car just like this at Madison Chevrolet on Scottsdale Road in McDowell in 1966. I drove it for a long time and drove it pretty rough and got rid of it. And that's how I come to buy this particular Chevelle. I bought it from John Blanton, and it was in good shape. It was in a garage covered up with a tarp, and he rolled it back and showed it to me, and I had to have it, and I paid $3,500 for it. And it needed quite a bit of work, so we took it completely apart and made it a full restoration from the ground up.
We told you this El Camino was a stunner. By far one of the cleanest and best restored cars we've had on this channel in a while. We really enjoy bringing our subscribers and viewers the most unusual cars with great stories. Next week, we're bringing you an incredible story about a man who had a '68 Buick GS 400 hardtop when he was younger. But he regrettably sold it years later, and nearly every day hoped he'd one day be reunited with his old friend. Well, that's exactly what happened. It's a great story and should inspire anyone who's looking for a long-lost car to put back in their garage. We'll see you next week, and stay safe out there.